Hi guys, tara, recovery walk. Recovery walk, kaya mag-walk. Mga 5 minutes walking lang. Sa easy run. Medyo masakit kasi yung paa ko. First time ko nag-trail, tas ganun pala yun. Guys, easy run. One km guys. 2 km. 2 km. 3 km. 4 km. Let's go, keep running. 5k. Tsaka 1 km run pa. I mean walk. Okay. Cool down. Recovery walk. Kung kaya ng 1 km is 1 km. Iwisan na yung card kasi ang curfew dito is 7 o'clock and yung oras ngayon is 6:54. I mean 55. Kaya need natin umuwi. O i-roll natin ng konti doon. Dito tas doon. I'll try. Okay, 6:57 tas lilipol muna tayo dyan bago dito bago pumunta ng back gate kasi nagwiwisan na sila. Kailangan 7 o'clock is wala ng student dito sa inside campus. Okay, let's go. Bukas ulit. Okay guys, need natin ng water for rehydration.